Before we start now step by step to really build a successful affiliate marketing business, we need to create a master plan. Therefore, I have the 7-step plan here. And by using that plan, and we will also make some notes for that, we can really make sure that our business is not a complete flop. Okay, first of all, decide on a platform, which means you decide based on your target audience if you want to use maybe, and I will write that down, social media, which can be Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and so on and so on. This is also based on the target audience, because when you know that your target audience, depending on the topic of course, is 50 years and older, you won't use TikTok because your target audience isn't using TikTok. But when you know that your target audience is 18 to 25, then TikTok might be a good idea. So this is also not fixed. You cannot just say, I want Instagram and that is why I use it. You also have to take a look at your target audience. Maybe you have a Telegram newsletter. So it's not only what you want to use, but also what do you actually already have. When you already have a Telegram newsletter with 1,000 people or an Instagram account with 10,000 followers, then you should also try to use affiliate links here, or try to recreate this account for your affiliate business. You can also use a blog / website, forums like Quora, but of course also email marketing. So also when you have a long email list, like a weekly newsletter, you can also use some affiliate links there. Okay. Then point number 2, choose your niche. And here we will have in this course the example animal, dog, and then after this topic and niche, a subtopic, which might be dog training. And this will be clear when we talk about niches, but this will be the example for the course. So you have a big topic, for example, animals or business, whatever. Then you decide on a niche, in this case, dog. When we talk about the topic business, it might be investing as a niche. And then you go one step deeper, one step further, and choose a sub niche, because dog is too big, too many different people in that audience. But when you really make this smaller and use dog training, your target audience isn't too broad. For investing, it might be a good idea to go into dividend investing or day trading, whatever. So this here is the niche we have. Find affiliate programs to join. Of course, we will make all these steps together. I will really show you how to do this and that, but this is only that you know how we plan here our trip together. You have different affiliate programs. You have big ones like Amazon, like Digistore, like ClickBank maybe, but also some companies you can get affiliate links from. Booking.com, SoPlus, or finance ads, depending of course on the niche. So you have either platforms that collect affiliate links from multiple sources, from multiple companies like ClickBank and Digistore, but you also have, of course, own companies, Amazon, Booking.com, SoPlus, that offer affiliate links only for their products. Step number 4, create great content. And here it doesn't matter which platform you have or you chose. Of course, it makes a difference in how often you post, what kind of content you create, but to create great content, that is for all of them the same. Let's say in our example, we say post every 2 days, high quality picture on Instagram with hashtags, a good color pick, a message, and so on and so on. So here it's really about value, and quality goes, of course, over quantity. Because it doesn't matter how often you post. Of course, you should post at least once a week, but it's better to post only once a week than 5 times a week with low quality. So better to post 1 time a week with high quality. Drive traffic to your affiliate website, which is then the landing page. So you get an affiliate link, and this link redirects the person that clicks on a website. And you need now to make sure that people really click on your link. Actually, we can also combine it because, of course, when you drive traffic, you also want to get clicks. So let's combine this. It makes a bit more sense, and we simply have one step less because in the end it's the same. But you can also have like a sub landing page. You can have a link click to your landing page and then redirect from your landing page to the product landing page. Since we won't anyway don't do this, so we won't create landing pages and have them in between the link and the original product landing page, we can really sum this up, drive traffic, and get link clicks on your affiliate link. So we want a lot of traffic for this landing page. Therefore, we need a good call to action. So why should people click? We need material like banners. And of course, we need a link, but that should be clear. So this part is rather easy, but we will also discuss it in the course. And then the last step, in this case now step number 6, convert clicks into sales. Because when people click, that is good, but it's not enough because people really needs to buy a product or at least make a conversion. So landing page. Question, is the landing page from the company good? Is the product landing page good? Which is relevant when we want to choose a specific product. But also, is there an advantage for the customer? Because even if the product is good, but it costs way too much, or compared to other products that are nearly the same, it's way too expensive, people won't buy it. So you can do as much good content as you want, drive as much traffic on your link as much as you want. When the product or the landing page or the things around like the price, the shipping, whatever, is not good, then you won't make any sales. Which means that already the product you choose up here in step number 3 is very important. But no worries, we checked it anyway together. Okay, this is the affiliate marketing master plan. Only 6 steps to really start your affiliate marketing business.